Hey there, do you ever wonder why you're working your fingers to the bone, but you still can't seem to make the profit that you deserve? Well, you're not alone. I'm Brad Horan, and I've been helping business owners just like you get the profit they've always dreamed of. Stick around, you will not want to miss this. Look, don't just take my word for it. Meet Kelly and Derek. They have a drain laying business, and they increased their profit by 306% in just 45 days. Or Anthony, he runs a waste management business, and over the last 12 or 13 months, he's increased his profit by over 550%. Imagine doubling your profit without doubling the stress. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not, and I'm going to show you how. You see, the secret sauce is shifting the focus from just pricing to value. A fair trade where your customer is really happy to pay the price that you're asking. Our profit pricing strategy is like nothing else you've ever seen. It's intensely focused on customer value and it includes a foolproof method to test and refine your prices. Here's a real life example from a cleaning company. The business owner had a massive profit increase of over 100% on new clients and overall 42% increase across the entire business. Not only that, the stress levels went down. In fact, he moved from working 6 days a week to 3 days a week. Let me draw it out for you. See how simple this model is to follow. This is you before. You're experiencing low profit, inconsistent income, and the stress levels are through the roof. You don't really know what to do. So we look at the profit pricing strategy. First step, we look at your point of difference, the things that you do that keep your customers coming back. We analyze your costs and work out exactly what it costs to do business so we can work out the profit at different levels. We look at the competition to understand what they're doing and work out how we can build a value proposition, a value pricing model that's better than theirs. Finally, we test and refine to make sure that we not only get the best pricing and profit, but we have the happiest customers. So what happens next? This is you after. Profit is up. Your income is more stable. And you no longer have any stress because you now can rest easy knowing exactly what you're going to price and how much profit you're going to make. So are you ready to break the vicious cycle of low profit and high stress? Click the link below to get started.